All right, today we're going to work on dividing three-digit numbers by single-digit numbers. And one way I always teach my students to divide is by teaching them the process of dirty monkeys smell bad. That's how we remember it, at least. But this is divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Now, when I say divide, that's going to be how many times a number fits. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's do the first problem could be 568 divided by 6. Now, when you write a long division problem, you're going to write it in reverse. So we're going to put how many times does the 6 fit into 568? Does the 6 fit into the 5? In other words, if there are 6 students outside of the classroom and there are only 5 chairs in the classroom, are they all going to get a chair? No. So let's instead, how many times does it fit into the 56? So the 56, how many times can you count by 6 until you get to 56? I could count all the way there 6 times, but if you notice, these are multiplication problems. Times 1, times 2, times 3. So why don't I skip ahead to times 8, which would be 48, times 9 would be 54, times 10 would be 60, and that's too big because that's bigger than 56. So 9 times it fits, and we said 6 times 9 equals what? We just did divide. 6 times 9 equals what? 54. Okay, we just multiplied. Subtract. 56 minus 54 equals 2. We just subtracted. Bring down. Bring down, if possible, we bring down a number, 28. Okay, now we have to start over again. Go back up to the division. How many times does a 6 fit into 28? So as you can see down here, we were already almost there. Times 4 equals 24. And if we did times 5, that would be 30, but that would be too big. So times 4 is our number. 6 times 4, we just divided. 6 times 4 is 24. We just multiplied. Subtract. 28 minus 24 equals 4. Okay. And we just subtracted. Is there anything to bring down? No. So we call this our remainder. We have a remainder of 4. How can we check our work? That is very important. We need to multiply. We need to delete all of this first. And then we need to multiply our answer times the divisor, which is 6. So we have 94 times 6 equals what? 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 9 equals 54. Plus 2 equals 564. That is not the same as 568, but that's why we have this remainder. Plus 4, it does equal 568. So that means that we got the question correct. This is going to take time. If it's your very first time learning how to divide, but I recommend picking a 3-digit number, a single-digit number, practicing and looking how to check if your answer is correct by solving it backwards with multiplication.